Welcome to the first episode of the TickerTrends tutorial series. My name is Adrian. I'm the founder of TickerTrends. And actually, the origin of TickerTrends originally comes from a platform that I built for myself during COVID. I built an alternative data platform in order to better understand how consumer and market trends were changing during a huge period of change, which was COVID, when people all of a sudden stopped going out, stayed home, and started buying very different things than they were before. So that was an amazing time to use a platform like this, because when there's a lot of change, it takes the market a while to price in a lot of that change, especially when there's a ton of capital being injected into the economy. Anyways, during that period, I achieved some very, very good success using a platform very similar, if not a little bit worse than what we now have with the current version of TickerTrends. And so when I saw the success that I was able to achieve, I thought that this was a product that could solve and provide a lot of value to a lot of people, because this is something that I felt really didn't exist. This is an issue that I know I had in terms of being able to analyze and do really complex things with alternative data in a very easy way. Because when I'm doing market analysis, I don't want to be focusing on the hyper technical aspects of getting alternative data, such as finding data sources, cleaning the data, managing my data sets, etc. It gets very complex, and it's also very resource intensive. So I knew that if I could build it into a platform that is a collaborative platform that a wide variety of people can use, whether you're an institution, whether you're a retail trader, then basically it would be much more efficient for everyone involved. So that's why I decided to launch TickerTrends. And I want TickerTrends to not only be a really amazing alternative data platform, but I also want TickerTrends to be a resource. So I want to create videos going over every single feature in TickerTrends currently, in addition to every feature that we add in the future. And not only that, but I also want to make sure that I give tips and tricks and kind of explain how I use it personally, so that you can have a better understanding of how you can use TickerTrends to solve the issues that you face, or in order to achieve the goals that you would like to achieve. So whether that be market research, whether that be consumer trends, whether that be basically anything that you can use with an alternative data platform, I want to give you the tools for success so that you're not just completely lost once you initially decide to use the platform and log in for the very first time. So that's the goal of this video series. And in this first episode, I just wanted to give you a little introduction as to what we're going to cover in this tutorial series. And I also just want to give a quick overview of logging in, as there are two different options here for two very different types of people. If you are a retail trader or individual, then whenever you initially get onto the platform, you can go ahead and sign up with Google, and then it will prompt you for our normal subscription price of $200, although that is subject to change in the future. In addition, we also have the login via enterprise option. So if you are an enterprise or business or team, anything where you require multiple accounts, we do have options for you. You can send us an email, and we will work out a system to provide you multiple accounts to TickerTrends that are either collaborative or completely separate, depending on what your needs are. We can work out pricing, etc. All you need to do is shoot us an email, and we'll handle that.